Welcome to Sleight of Doug, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ring levitate. You're going to need three props. You're going to need scissors, a rubber band, and of course, a ring. Alright, so this is how you get set up for the floating ring. All you need is the ring, the rubber band, and the scissors, as we explained. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take the scissors and you're going to cut the rubber band. Now that you have the rubber band cut, you're going to take the rubber band and thread it through the ring. So you have this image here. Once you've done that, you're all set up. Let's walk through the performance. All you want to do is you want to take the rubber band. You're going to grab a lot of the rubber band in your dominant hand, and you're going to leave a little bit of the rubber band to go in your other hand. Now make sure that the ring is threaded, and you want to stretch the one side that has the least amount of rubber band in that hand. So you're going to stretch this side, bring the ring towards the bottom. So basically your dominant hand is going to tilt down, and the other hand, your non-dominant hand, is going to raise up just a little bit, not too much. Now here's the thing, you're going to have a little bit of rubber band that is sticking out. Now, you can just place all that in your hand just like so. You can sit it in your hand and then close around it. The thing you don't want to do is you don't want to squeeze it too tight where you can't release the rubber band, because how this works is you're actually taking your right hand and letting some of the rubber band out. So basically, if I showed you, you can see I'm letting it out, and you can see the rubber band is slowly almost reaching my right thumb and first finger. So it's just pinched between these, and you're just slowly letting it come through your fingers. So as you can see, it's like a snake a little bit crawling through a space. Alright? And you're slowly letting that rubber band just kind of slip out of your fingers just like this. Of course, you don't want to let it loose all the way. But let me bring this back. So once again, we leave a little bit for your non-dominant hand, and you're going to take a bulk of the rubber band in your dominant hand. So you can kind of sit it in your hand, grab the end with your thumb and your first finger, okay? And that's the only part that's really going to apply pressure. Your hand is just kind of cupping a bulk of the rubber band, and then your non-dominant hand holds the end. You're going to stretch the rubber band with your non-dominant hand, and you're going to angle it up just a little bit. Now with your right hand, you're going to start to release that rubber band, and you can see that the ring looks like it's climbing up the hill, walking per se, or floating. And that is how you perform the floating ring. Hey guys, I want to take this time to send a special thank you and shout out to Code Blue Creative. They're a creative design company. They make art, jewelry, clothing, and home decor. One of the coolest things is they donated one of their rings to us for this video today, which is pretty cool. So I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to stop by their website at codebluecloset.com and follow them on all social media. More importantly, we want to say thank you for all of your help, and we'll see you guys soon.